बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम जर्नल नॉलेज के जितने भी सवालात हैं, तकरीबन 450 सवालात जो कि पिछले इम्तहानात में पीपीएससी के पूछे गए हैं, वो आज हम पढ़ेंगे। तो पहला सवाल है इस सिलसिले में, ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन वाज पास्ड बाय लियाकत अली खान ऑन 12 मार्च 1949। कुरान पाक अदर नेम फुरकान, Montego Clasmford reforms date 1919. The number of rivers in Balochistan 7. Surah name on aunt is Namal. First democratic election in Pakistan 7 December 1970. Baltic countries Latvia, Finland, Poland, Germany and Russia. These are the Baltic countries. Next step, Pirpur report date 1938. Cabinet mission arrived in 1946. Cube root of unity 1. 11th question है, Khalid bin Walid accepted Islam in 6th Hijri. Abu Sufyan accepted Islam in 8th Hijri. Hazrat Maaz was governor of Yemen. The inverse of scalar matrix is scalar matrix. 15th question, sine 180 minus x is equal, इसका आंसर है sin x. Pak celebrated Defense Day from 1966. Old name of Atak, Chambalpur. Pak Afghan border length 2430 km. Geneva Pact 1988. Which country is called Rising Sun? It's Japan. How many agencies are in FATA? 7. King of Habsha religion Armaha Najashi. Most developed continent Europe. What will be last letter of when you arrange it? It's Y. Next question, what will be third letter alphabetically arrangement in management? It's G. If yesterday was Friday, then after tomorrow will be it's Monday. How many months have 31 days in a year? It's 7. यानी कि 7 ऐसे महीने होते हैं जिनके 31 दिन होते हैं. In a room there are males and females. There are 3/2 male. Then how many females are in the room when room contain 30 people? Its answer is 10. Book purchased in 30 Rs and sold in 40. Find the profit is it's 33.3%. Railway Minister Sheikh Rashid Ahmed. 31st question, Governor of Sindh Imran Ismail. Lowest point on earth is Challenger Deep. Jamiul Quran title Hazrat Usman. Jamiul Quran title Hazrat Usman Radhiyallahu Anhu. Biggest district area wise in Pakistan, Chaghi. Who wrote Loyal Mohammedan? Sir Sayyid Ahmad Khan. China-Pak border agreement date 2 March 1963. Where Pakistan did its nuclear test, Rasco Hills in district Chaghi. Pakistan 1200 miles border length with which country? Afghanistan. Next, Basel is a city of Switzerland. Smallest continent, Australia. Highest civil award of Pakistan, Nishan-e-Pakistan. First woman Governor General Begum Rana. The second PM of Pakistan, Khwaja Nazmuddin, empty set is also known as finite. 45th question. Chura Churi incident date 5 February 1922. Longest river of Asia is Yangtze. It's located in China. Safa means top of a mountain. No, nisab of gold साढ़े सात तोला or 84.87 grams. 1857 जंग आज़ादी exact date 10 May 1857. Relation of Hazrat Hamza with Holy Prophet peace be upon him, companion as well as paternal uncle. Next question is prescribe synonym is order, command, dictate. Next, cube root of -2, it's minus 1.25. India quit movement is 8 August 1942. Kalimullah is a title of Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. Speaker of National Assembly Asad Kaisar, 90% of 90, it's 81. Old name of India, Hindustan, Bharat, etc. Israel was a title of Hazrat Yaqub alayhi salam. Which place connect Pakistan with Tajikistan? It's Wuhan corridor. Lat and Uzza are idol. The first foreign minister Muhammad Zafarullah Khan and Sindh Bombay is से separate करने का मुतालबा किसका था? There it's Muslim Muhammad Ali Jinnah. 14th point. FIFA World Cup 2018 winner is France. President during 1956 Constitution Skandar Mirza. Quaid-e-Azam left Congress in December 1920. Makkah conquered in 8 Hijri. Muwaqat-e-Medina was between Ansar and Muhajirin. Abdullah is a title of Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu anhu. Quaid-e-Azam date of birth 25th December 1876. Nehru report date 30 August 1928. Dark continent is called Africa. Red Sea is also known as Gulf of Arabia. Capital of Kyrgyzstan is Bishkek. 75th question is who separated Bengal in 1913? So यहाँ पर ये डेट गलत है. It's 1905 is the right date here. 1905 ठीक यहाँ पर है डेट. 1905 में जो बंगाल की तकसीम हुई थी 1905 में हुई थी और 1911 में तनसीख हुई थी जब किंग जॉर्ज 5 आए थे बरसगीर में. तो किंग जॉर्ज 5 1911 में हुए थे, तब तनसीख बंगाल हुई थी. तकसीम बंगाल 1905 में हुई थी और लॉर्ड कर्जन उस वक्त थे. लेंथ ऑफ पाकिस्तान कोस्ट लाइन 1046 किलोमीटर्स. बदर इज़ द नेम ऑफ विलेज. मीनिंग ऑफ बदर इज़ फुल मून. द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ कारपेट इज़ ईरान. साइन 90 degree is 1. Next question is Abdul Salam got Nobel Prize in 1979 in physics. Sri Lanka capital is Colombo. Pak-Afghan border name is Durand Line. Who gave the idea of Pakistan? Allama Iqbal. Which was the first book of Allama Iqbal? Israr-e Khudi. First Hajj offered in 9 Hijri. What was the father name of Hazrat Usman? Affan ibn Abil As. Which is the oldest city of Pakistan? It's Multan. Next, currency of Turkey. It's lira. Land of white elephants. It's Thailand. First Khalifa of Islam, Hazrat Abu Bakr Razdalanho. First Pakistani astronaut, it's Namera Salim in 2009. First Governor of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. First war with India over Kashmir is 1947-1948 Indo-Pak War. Tashkent Declaration 1966. Pasha Mosque was built in which year? 1673 by Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. Largest road of Pakistan is N5 National Highway. The number of idols were in Khana Kaaba 360. Second largest glacier in Pakistan is Baltro Glacier. Now or Never is 1933 by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. When Pak joined UNO 30 September 1947, Holy Prophet was born in 571 AD. Atiq is the title of Hazrat Abu Bakr हो. ये क्वेश्चन 102 मैथमेटिक्स के जो लेक्चरशिप का पेपर था उसमें ये सवाल आया है 102 वाला. अतीक इज़ द टाइटल ऑफ हज़रत अबू बकर सदीक रज़ियल्लाहु हो, जो जर्नल पोर्शन था उसमें आया था ये क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट वार ऑफ पानीपत डेट इज़ 21 अप्रैल 1526. So next question is, first woman speaker of Balochistan Assembly, Rahila Hameed Khan Durrani. Which country opposed Pakistan membership in UNO? Afghanistan. Which angel brings revelation? Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam. Capital of Mongolia, Ulaanbaatar. 2016 Olympics. It's Brazil. When did Quaid-e-Azam gave Delhi Pact? 1916. So next question is, first speaker of Balochistan Assembly, Rahila Hameed Khan Durrani. Which country opposed Pakistan membership in UNO? Afghanistan. Which angel brings revelation? Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam. Capital of Mongolia, Ulaanbaatar. Olympics कहाँ हुए? It's 2016 Olympics कहाँ हुए? Its answer is Brazil. When did Quaid-e-Azam gave Delhi Pact? It's 1916 answer. 48 heads of hen and cow together and 140 legs. How many hen are there? It's 26. ये क्वेश्चन है कि 48 सर हैं ऑफ हैन के और काव के, यानी कि गाय और मुर्गी के 48 हेड हैं और 140 लेग्स हैं. तो आपने उस हिसाब से जहन में आपने जहन को इस पर सोचना है जहन में कि इसमें कितने हैंड्स होंगे, तो ये 26 आएंगी. सुलह हदैबिया डेट 6 हिजरी. मलाला को अवार्ड किस लिए मिला? पीस. तहरीक खिलाफत डेट started in 1919. Ali was born on 20 August 1997. Strength of Muslim in Ghazwa Badr 313. Name of first book of Ahadith Sahifa Sadika. Next question is, Pakistan joined which organization in 2017? It's SCO. 9th June 2017, Pakistan joined SCO Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Which country accepted Pakistan first? It's Iran. First Muazzin of Islam, Hazrat Bilal Rizal Anhu. Spell check key, it's 5 F7. So the next question is Indus Treaty. इंडस ट्रीटी वर्ल्ड बैंक के तवसत से हुई, जो कि पाकिस्तान और इंडिया के दरमियान जो पानी का मसला था वो हल हुआ था, जिसके तहत पाकिस्तान को जो कुछ दरिया मिले और कुछ दरिया उनको मिले. Area of forests in Pakistan in 1990 3.28%, now 1.91%. यमामा किसके दौर में हुई? हज़रत अबू बकर रज़ियल्लाहु अन्हु. Mostly coal is found in which area of Pakistan? Thar, Sindh. Zakat made obligatory in 2nd Hijri. Daughters of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, 4 daughters. Most mentioned prophet in Quran. Hazrat Musa alayhi salam mentioned in 135 times. Integral of cortex, it's in sin x plus c. Mother of name of Hazrat Ishaq, Hazrat Sarah. Pass between Chitral and Afghanistan, it's called Dora Pass. Muslim came back without fight in which Ghazwa? Tabuk. Nearest planet to the earth, it's Venus. Pakistan opposed India in inclusion of NSG. NSG is the abbreviation of nuclear supplier group. A measurement of earthquake is a Richter scale. Friction is maximum between triads and road during heartbreak. Ambassador of Commonwealth countries are called High Commissioners. Circumference of Earth, it's 40,075 km. IMF functions maintaining balance between demand and supply of currency. Pentagon is for USA Defense Office. Sierra Leone capital is a free town in Ghazwa Uhud, which led the enemy force Abu Sufyan. First female justice of Balochistan High Court is Sayyida Tahira Safdar. Space between margin and between paragraph called indentation. To cut useless area of image is called cropping. Text styling is called word art. Name of 1955 in which country? Indonesia. Naam of 1955 in which country? It's Indonesia. Naam is the abbreviation of non-aligned movement. Sandhyak project is producing copper and gold. Pak Parliament system is bicameral. Largest oil refinery of Pakistan is Pak Oil Refinery Limited. Purpose of WTO regulation and international trade. Vitamin to heal wound, vitamin C, and called ascorbic acid. Best source of urgent energy to athlete is carbohydrates. If a person purchases a book of 500 and sell it 700, find the percentage is profit. Its answer is 40%. When Pakistan became a member of UNO, 30 September 1947, जंग फुरकान किसको कहते हैं? बैटल ऑफ बदर is 156 question. It's easy to solve. Its answer is 3. Next question is ग़ज़वा उहुद में शहीद होने वाले मुस्लिम तादाद 85. पाकिस्तान में इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी की सबसे बड़ी सोर्स थर्मल, बोथ ऑयल एंड गैस. लोकेशन ऑफ ईरान विद रिस्पेक्ट टू पाकिस्तान वेस्ट. जंग यमामा में शहीद होने वाले मुस्लिम्स की तादाद 70. डेट ऑफ पब्लिशिंग ऑफ Cause of revolt. It's 10 May 1857. Objective resolution was showed in assembly on 7 March 1949. Noun school can be replaced with it. SAFTA, SAFATA. SAFTA sounds for South Asian Free Trade Area. Strength of Muslims in Battle of Uhud 1000. How many articles are in English? Two. A and the. IMF stands for International Monetary Fund. Founder of Urdu Defense Association, Mohsen al Mulk. How many times the name of Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam mentioned in Quran? Four times. Mount of Olympus is in Greece. Last prophet sent to Bani Israel, it's Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. France currency before euro, franc. What is 1/10 of 90? It's 9. Next, what is the 1/10 of 120? It's 12. Hazrat Bilal Raztallah was slave of Hazrat Umayyah bin Half. 176th question is mostly articles come before noun, singular noun. Literal meaning of Islam voluntarily submission to Allah. In class of 1500 students, 1200 are present. Find the percentage of present students. It's 80%. Next question is one in class of 500 students, 340 are present. Find the percentage of absent students. It's 32%. Next question. Akhuwat means brotherhood. What is Hudaybiyah? Treaty place. Ziyarat the is the residency of Qaid Azam. Age of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, as Fajar 15. Who translated the Holy Quran in Urdu first? Maulana Ashik. Name of China India border. Makmohan line. Jihad of woman is hijab. They are three. There are three brothers. Ali is cleverest of the three. Next step, he served us a good breakfast. Where are salt mines? Khewra. Fateh Khyber in 7 Hijri. Namaz Istasqa is offered for rain. Jinnah Research Center was established in the year 1991. Lahore Resolution date 23rd March 1940. First World War ended in 1918. Largest island is Greenland. OPEC stands for Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. The Amar Bashar Dam is on which river? River Indus. जंग ओहद का मार्का कब पेश आया? 3 हिजरी. Jinnah Research Center situated in Queen Maud Land, Eastern Antarctica. So, 200th question is name the only Sahabi mentioned in Holy Quran. It's Hazrat Zaid bin Haris Rizdalan Ho. FSP is the secret agency of which country? It's Russia. Morals of Quran are embodiment of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Who said this? Hazrat Aisha Rizdalan Anha. वज़ीर ख़ज़ाना असद उमर. अब भी वज़ीर ख़ज़ाना असद उमर नहीं है, तो यहाँ पर इसका आंसर हफीज़ शेख होगा. 203 का जो आंसर है. रूह अल्लाह इज़ द टाइटल ऑफ हज़रत ईसा अलैहिस्सलाम. ज़बूर वाज रिवील्ड ऑन हज़रत दाऊद अलैहिस्सलाम. लेंथ ऑफ LOC 740 किलोमीटर्स. Mangala Dam is on which river? River Jhelum. Which province of Pakistan called Babul Islam? Sindh. Bari Doab is between river Ravi and Byas. Mozteen Surah. Name Surah Al Falak and Surah Al Nas. Which surah was recited in front of Najashi? Surah Maryam. Sea with most salted water, Dead Sea. Lucknow pact was between which parties? Indian National Congress and Muslim League. Next question is length lengthiest constitution, Indian constitution. Shah Wali Allah died in which year? 1762. Siachen Glacier situated in which mountain range? Eastern Karakoram Range. Next question is if a train covers 120 miles per hour, how much will it cover in 12 minutes? Its answer is 38.4 km or 24 miles. Next question is 218. Which surah is called the heart of Holy Quran? Surah Yasin. If yesterday was Monday, then what will be the day after tomorrow? It's the Thursday. 500 students are in a class, 360 are boy. Find the girls percentage, 28%. If a helicopter need a 50 gallons to move 320 kilometers, then how much gallons helicopters need it if it moves 400 kilometers? It's 62.5 gallons. Next question is Amjad and Ahmad kept 24 balloons. Amjad kept 3 times more than Ahmad. How much Amjad kept? 18 balloons. Next question. If a train covers 120 kilometers per hour, how much will it cover in 18 minutes? It's 36 km. 224th question. NP2 is equal to 20. Find value of n 10. Next question है camp in Karachi was built by with assistance from Canadian assistant. Remember me in your prayers. So इतना ही था इस वीडियो में और मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। अल्लाह ताला आपका हामी नसर हो। अल्लाह हाफिज़।